Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your boy Larry from Diecast by Larry. We're here today to do an unboxing of two M2 machine sets. So I bought these cases straight from Walmart. Instead of unboxing it there, I wanted to do it for the channel, so I brought them home. So hopefully we pop some chases out of these cases. But what we're going to be opening today is going to be Drivers Release 100 and the 124 larger scale Release 110. Let's start with the drivers here. Again, this is Drivers Release 100. Get my trusty blade here to crack it open. The drivers releases recently have been four casting sets. It's cracked open. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna get this off the table for now. Give me some more room here. All right, here we go. So again, these are typically four casting sets right now. Let's start with the first casting here. We have the 1956 Ford F100 truck. Beautiful color. It's actually a really nice color there. But there you have it. First one up is the Ford truck. It's got the nice card detail with the truck in the background. That's pretty cool right there. Like most cases, you're going to get two per set. So there we go. That's the first card that we got here. Next up is going to be your 1971 Dodge Charger Custom in this nice blue. I like this. Or is it purple? I'm colorblind, so... But I like the background of the card as well. It's got a nice Mopar 512 theme going on. Again, you're going to get two of those. Very sweet. Love the Mopars. I'm a big Dodge Charger Daytona fan myself. Then the third is going to be your 1957 Chevy Bel Air. Always a very popular casting. Again, these driver's cards have some nice matching theme to the Chevy Bel Air going on with it. Very cool. Again, two per set. Now let's see, this would be the chase. So let's see if we got a chase in this one. We've been lucky so far. We're 2 for 2. And we are not. No chase this time, my friends. But a super cool Corvette. What was that, 1969 Corvette. Very cool blue as well with the matching card background. Now, if you found the chase, what you're going to be looking for is blue trim on this one. The wheels would be blue. The interior would be blue. The side view mirrors would be blue. The side piping for the exhaust would be blue as well. So they're limited to 750 pieces if you find the chase. So nice little set that we have here. Again, drivers, 4-car set. This is going to be release number 110 of the Drivers series. So there's your 4-car set. Beautiful set here. I love the artwork, even on the back. Like, that's pretty cool. I mean, the back matches the front pretty much, but really nice artwork on the cards here. Like I said, you got the truck in the background from the front. Same on the back. Very cool. Nice set here. Really like that truck. I can't stop looking at it. Sorry. All right, here we go. Let me get these out of the way so we can crack open the 124 scale box. 124s are one of my favorite kind of M2 machines. I think the Haulers are probably my favorite, but the 124s just have some really awesome detail. I'm actually going to open this from the bottom. I'll tell you why as I do so. If you're a collector of 124 scale, you'll notice that sometimes you'll have that little thumb pinch on the top of the plastic. That's mainly from employees just reaching in and grabbing, you know, the top car out. You know, I like to kind of open it and let gravity do the rest. This way I don't mess up the packaging on it. Let's see what we got here. This is a 2 casting set. Release 110. There's a chase for each of them as well. Let's see if we got lucky on this one. All right. Gonna kind of peek to see what we got here. All right. So let's go with this one first. This is going to be the first casting of the set, and one of my favorites is going to be the 1962 VW Beetle. It's got the Moon Eyes theme. It's wrapped with some Moon Eyes decals and skin. Very cool. If you find the chase on this one, and let's see if this one's a chase. Again, same with these. You're going to get 2 per case. So we didn't hit the chase on this one. If you find the chase for this series, for the Moon Eyes Beetle, you're going to be looking for more of a chrome gold trim. So the wheels are going to be gold. The interior is going to be gold. Your windshield wipers will be gold. Your side view mirrors will be gold. A nice shiny gold. The trim around the windows and door handles and stuff will be gold. So that's what you'd be looking for on the chase of that one. And the second car out of this set is going to be your 1970, one of my favorites. There we go again, the 1970 Dodge Challenger. Gotta love the Mopars. Got the VP Racing theme. And again, if you're going to look for the chase, which again, I kind of peeked, and we got lucky on this box. So we went 1 for 2 this time. We are still on a roll. But again, you're looking for the gold trim. The door handles are gold. The trim around the window is gold. The interior is gold. Your front bumper, your rear bumper is gold. These are limited to 750 pieces as well. We got lucky on this one. But there you have it. We got the VP Racing Challenger and the Moon Eyes Bug. Very nice set right there. I already know who this chase is going to. One of my good Mopar friends. So I'll hit you up about that shortly. But there you have it. We got release 110 of the 124s. We got release 100 of the drivers. 2 really nice releases. Excited to open this with everybody. I've had these cases for a couple of days. I was just finding a good time to open them. I've been dying to find out if we hit any chases. We went 1 for 2. The past 2 videos we found a chase, so we're on a roll so far. Let's keep it up. Appreciate everybody watching. Hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm enjoying sharing them and, you know, opening these. I love opening these M2 cases. It's just such a rush to me. Like I said, I found these at Walmart and I wanted to open them with you guys. So hope you enjoyed seeing these releases. 2 more nice releases from M2 Machines. Thank you everybody for watching. Like and subscribe when you get a chance. Everybody have a good one. Take care.